Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm going to share with you all a DIY all-natural herbal hair oil that will grow your hair super fast. For this, you will need virgin coconut oil, organic castor oil, around 8 to 10 small onions or shallots, 1 tablespoon ginger, hibiscus around 8 leaves and 2 flowers, around 1 handful of curry leaves. Now take a blender and add the shallots, ginger, hibiscus leaves and flowers and also few curry leaves and blend it without adding any water. You will get a smooth paste like this. Now take a pan and add around 250 ml of coconut oil and 60 ml of castor oil. Coconut oil is a bit semi-solid, it's because it's winter where I live. Now also add the blended mixture into it. You won't be able to mix it, so we are going to use the double boiling method to mix the ingredients together. So take a bigger vessel and fill it with hot water and put it on the stove on high flame. Now place the saucerpan into the boiling water and let it double boil for 15 minutes. You will see that the mixture will start forming up like this. This is how it should be. By the way guys, it will not boil, but it will only form like this. You should never directly boil the oil. If you boil the oil, then you will lose all the nutrients in the oil. So always use double boil method to heat up the oil. After some time, you will see that the foam will start disappearing. You can see that now everything has mixed properly. This process will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can take it out of the stove and let it cool down completely. Actually, let it sit overnight or like around 24 hours before applying it to your hair. Now here it has cooled down completely and the mixture has settled down at the bottom of the oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit overnight and we'll transfer it into another bowl in the morning. Here it's been almost 24 hours and it has solidified because it's winter here in Sydney. So yes, I'm just going to place it in hot water to just melt it and so that I can strain the oil and transfer it into a bottle. So now let's strain the oil. First I tried to strain it using a strainer, but it did not work properly. The oil was getting everywhere. So I took a muslin cloth like this and I started putting the oil into it and I squeezed as much oil as possible. And I found this method to be easy and convenient. Do this until you strain all the oil. Can you see the beautiful natural green color of the oil? It's beautiful, isn't it? It smells amazing too. This is really a good herbal oil for your hair. Now let me show you guys how to apply this herbal hair oil. By the way guys, the ingredients that I have used to make this oil are the best ingredients for hair growth. It's very good Ayurvedic hair oil for your hair growth and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Always shake the oil before using it. Apply this oil to the roots and throughout your hair as you normally apply your oil. You can apply this overnight and wash it off in the morning. I guarantee that it won't smell like onions. It smells more like ginger and curry leaves. You might already know the benefits of onion for hair growth. Onions can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. They have potent antibacterial properties and help fight infections on the scalp. The warming and stimulating effects of ginger work to increase the scalp circulation and encourage healthy hair growth. Besides, ginger is a useful remedy for dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta carotene and proteins which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. They also contain amino acids and antioxidants which strengthen the hair follicles and moisture the scalp. Hibiscus leaves and flowers combat hair loss. There's a good reason you should use hibiscus if you are suffering from hair loss. Rich in vitamin C and amino acids, hibiscus improves the blood circulation under the scalp to stimulate healthy hair growth. So after applying the oil, let it sit for 1 hour minimum, or it's better if you can put it overnight and wash it off in the morning. You will start experiencing hair growth in just 1 week itself. Continue using the oil as much as you want and apply before every hair wash, maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.